putting the chain on the axle. I had to make this special end. This end here is one I made for the puller.
I remember right, this didn't work before.
Huh?
Using that.
It does sometimes.
I thought we used the bars to pop it.
We ended up putting the bar back in there with this. On that one I ended up having to cut the damn thing.
And that's how they come apart.
There's a bar.
So you're just taking a chain, wrapping it around the axle,
Yep.
and using the slide hammer.
Usually put that on before the hammer's on there.
This would be about a lot easier than the other ones we done.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of times it takes two people, remember? You end up putting the bar up against here. One guy pushes with the bar. You just gotta be careful that you don't break that little housing. Alright, hold on here. We'll put them right back in.
I'm just gonna take this chain off.
Yeah, you can do that. Let me go get my hammer.
So that, guys, is how you take them out. Does Harbor Freight carry the slide hammers?
What's that?
Harbor Freight?
That's a Snappa, or a Napa there.
Yeah, I was just wondering if the guys could get theirs from Harbor
You
Freight.
probably could.
I would replace it.
But if you're gonna do it, and you
Hook a chain to it. And I'll put grease back on the new one.
now you're gonna have to put your camera down. Okay, you want a plastic head going out? Sweet.
And all we're doing, we're using just a slide or a hammer that's plastic. Don't use a steel hammer, so the thread's on it. And just one guy hold it, and the other guy just wrap it right back in.
Yeah, that's what they call a dead blow hammer. Has weight in here, so it hits harder than a regular hammer.
Now comes the other side. We've had them where they come apart a lot harder than this. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the slot it goes into. And it just got a, what do they call it, snap ring type?
It's a spline. You just got to make sure that there's a little snap ring on the end of it.
Pops it in,
And if
holds it.
that's not on it, the axle can walk out. Yep. That's right.
Well, in this case, we're repairing where this here got so bad that it wore right into the casing. So we ordered a new one of these, but it came in wrong. The problem with ordering on eBay is Chinese, it'll fit anything. We ended up, instead of reusing this, we ordered a used one from,
Yeah, because you cut
person.
into here so bad you can't get the snap ring out.
yeah, can't get the snap ring out. Yeah, so wore. So we bought all new bearings, a new hub, new sprocket. We'll reuse that. But this is a Polaris Ranger XP 900 2016. This is what they should look like, or they're not all beat to hell.
Yeah, that one there, I just put the new bearing in.
And like for your own safety, put the tires underneath that jack so that underneath it, so if the jacks do give way, it'll drop onto the tire and not onto you.